Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Leticia, and today I have an awesome video for you. Today, we're going to talk about Clockify. If you've been having questions about what time tracking tool is the best for your freelance business, if you're a service provider or a VA. So, today I wanted to show you a quick run through of how Clockify works. It is my preferred time tracking tool out of all the ones out there. I've tried a lot of them over the years, and this one is one that I've been using for 3 years. And the great thing is it's free. It does everything that I need. So I don't see a need to pay for it. So you can have, like I mentioned, you can have 3 clients on your account for free. If you want more, if you have a big team, then obviously you will have to pay for it. But since for me, it's just me, I don't need a paid account. As you can see right here, it has my picture. If you can have, you know, apps included, you can change the theme to a dark theme if you prefer, or you can have it as a normal. Up here, this is how you interchange through workspaces. So as you can see here, I have my 3 set up. So I wanted to walk you through my first workspace and show you how it works. So right here is the time tracker, and right here you can type in what it is that you're working on. You can attach a project. So for me, for example, with this client, I have blog management, blog writing, copy editing, marketing data, marketing processes, marketing project coordination, marketing team meeting, etc., etc. And you can see you can color code it, and I'm going to talk through why this is important here in a sec, if that matters to you. So as you can see here, you can tag things. The dollar bill is something that if it's a billable or a non-billable item that you are working on. So as you can see here, I have a lot of blue because this is items that I can bill for. So for here, you can um, manually add time. So for example, let's do a test task. So I'm going to do ring bomb party host. And I'm gonna change it from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And then let's say this had a project, so we're just gonna pick a random one for right now. And then automatically it added the time, billable time, and then you click add so you can do it manually. You can also delete things. If there's duplicates, you can also erase them. So you can hit delete. Also, if you don't want to do manual time, you can put the name of the task that you were doing the project, and then right here there's a play button and you can start it. You can start and turn off the time that you have logged in. Since I can't build them for this, I'm going to take it off because it's just a sample. I also wanted to show you on here, there's this calendar view, which I find helpful, and you can see how you spend your time each day. As you can see here, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So obviously on Wednesday, I did a lot more work than I did yesterday and the day before. On dashboard, you can see how much money you are making. You can see where your time went, broken down by project. In the settings of your workspace, you can add your per hour rate, and that's how this amount is determined. Also, there are reports. So let's do a summary report. This is what I generally send my clients every week on how I spent my time, and you can round your time as well. You can export it to a PDF, CSV file, or an Excel. I normally just send a PDF file, and down here, you can see, the title of the task, the duration, and how much money you're going to get paid for it. And as I mentioned before, if you have your project set up with different colors, this is why it has this wheel right here. So you can see where you spend most of your time. As you can see, for me, I spend a lot of time in team meetings. That's almost 35% of my time this week. Also, there's more detailed as well. So it kind of breaks it down, kind of how it appears in the time tracker. And another thing when it comes to the reports on summary, let's say there's certain projects maybe that you don't want to bill for, You can click on the ones that you want to. Let's say we just want to charge for blog management, for example, that project, and then for Idea Pros. And then I would click apply, and then it would just filter for that specific project. Let's see. And you can see it changed to 1 hour. But if you want to do it all, you can leave it alone. Sorry, I have the hiccups. So we had the 10.5 hours so far. Other things here, you can add your projects. So you can create new projects, add whatever, category you want to create your reports and your time tracking. You can add team members as well. For me, it's just me. And then here I have clients, and I do have Idea Pro. So I also wanted to share, maybe if you work with an agency, for example, I work with agencies and they have numerous clients. So you can add within the same workspace multiple clients. So let's say I have Idea Pros, maybe I want to add, this is a client of theirs, so I can add that as well. And then I can time track and then add a project to that specific client and track time that way. I'm going to archive this because it's not how I do my time reporting for them, but that's something to also keep in mind. And another thing that I forgot to mention earlier is in this time tracker area right here, it'll give you a day total of of your time spent. And then at the top, which is a new feature that they added, is it'll give you your week total without having to go in and calculate everything. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give my video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Happy to hear from you. I'm currently working on a work from home series as well. So let me know in the comments what you would like. So comment, subscribe, leave a like, and I will catch you next week with a new video. And I hope that you're doing great, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.